No more mascara on upper eyelids. Use your spoon for this hack. Hold the rounded part against your upper eyelids while applying mascara. The excess mascara will go onto the spoon and not your eyelids. No more lipstick on your teeth. After applying your lipstick, put your finger in your mouth. Close your lips around your finger, then pull your finger out. The excess lipstick will get on your finger and not on your teeth. Cover up puffy eyes and dark circles. Forget about dotting your concealer. Instead, apply it in a triangle shape, with the base at your lash line and the tip at the bottom of your cheek. This will hide redness beneath the eyes and brighten up your whole face. Create natural contouring. It can be difficult to figure out where to put blush or bronzer for contouring. The easy way is to use your eyeliner pencil or even a makeup brush handle. Place the straight edge directly below your cheekbone to get the right angle. Easy eyelash glue application. Applying eyelash glue can be so tricky. Make it easier by putting the glue on a bobby pin. Apply the glue with the tip of the bobby pin for a more even and quicker application. Achieve perfect winged eyeliner with a spoon. To get that winged effect everyone loves so much, you only need one common household item, a spoon. Start your eyeliner as you would for a cat eye look. Press the rounded side of the spoon against your eyelid and move the spoon outwards to create the winged effect. Easy smoky eye makeup. With your eyeliner, draw a slanted hashtag at the outer corner of each eye. Blend it in with the rest of your eye makeup. You get that smoky look without a lot of work.